Sign 1, the most famous candidate, is the WOW signal of 1977. The Big Ear radio telescope picked up a narrowband radio signal that was 30 times stronger than the background. It lasted exactly 72 seconds as the Earth rotated. Its frequency was 1420 megahertz, the frequency of hydrogen, the universal language of physics. It looked like a perfect artificial message. We listened for years, but the signal never came back, leaving us wondering, was it a hello or an equipment error? Sign 2. In 2017, an object called Oumuamua flew through our solar system. It was cigar-shaped, which is highly unusual for an asteroid. It tumbled and was dark red. But the strangest thing happened when it passed the sun. It accelerated. It had no comet tail, no gas emissions, but something pushed it forward. Harvard professor Avi Loeb suggested that it wasn't a rock, it was a solar sail or a broken alien probe. Sign 3. KIC 8462852, also known as Tabby's star, is behaving in an impossible way. A planet typically dims a star by 1% when passing in front of it. This star was dimming by 22% in erratic bursts. This can't be dust, and it can't be a planet swarm. It looks as if someone is constructing a giant framework around the star, a Dyson sphere for energy collection. We may be witnessing the largest construction site in the galaxy. Sign 4. FRBs are bursts of energy from distant galaxies, lasting milliseconds. At first, we thought they were stellar explosions, but some signals repeat. One of them, FRB 121102, repeats every 16 days. It's like a machine at work, or like the energy leak from a giant light sail that propels interstellar ships. We're not hearing hello, we're hearing the sound of their engines. Sign 5. We look for life by oxygen, but there's a more reliable sign: pollution. Some chemicals, like CFCs, can't form naturally. They're created only by industry. The James Webb Space Telescope is already analyzing the atmospheres of exoplanets. If we find dirty air there, it won't just mean life. It will mean factories, machines, and a civilization that's possibly making the same mistakes we've made. Sign 6. We don't have to look far. Mars periodically spews clouds of methane. On Earth, 95% of methane is produced by living things. The Curiosity rover records seasonal surges of this gas, as if the planet were breathing. This could be geology, but it could also be a colony of bacteria deep underground. Life could be right under our feet on a neighboring planet. Sign 7. There are Lagrange points in space where the gravity of the Earth and the Sun balance. These are ideal parking spots for satellites. If aliens wanted to observe us forever, they would hide their probe there. We found Kordylewski dust clouds there. But some astronomers suggest looking for von Neumann probes there, self-replicating spy robots waiting for us to become interesting enough. Sign 8. What if the signal isn't in the sky, but inside us? The directed panspermia hypothesis posits that life was intentionally introduced to Earth. Some scientists propose searching for a message encoded in our DNA, mathematical patterns, or a creator's signature within the genome. We may not just be the children of evolution. We may be data drives sent across the galaxy to preserve information. Sign 9. The most offensive option. They know we're here. They see us. But to them, we're like a tribe in the Amazon jungle. There's a galactic code that forbids contact with primitive species. They watch our wars and challenges like a reality show. We don't see them, not because they don't exist, but because the cage marked Earth has tinted glass. We may have already found evidence, but our minds aren't ready to accept it yet. We search for radio waves because we use them ourselves, but a civilization a million years ahead of us could be using something entirely different. The answer could be right under our noses. We just need to learn to look beyond that.